Okay, this is the easiest cover probably to remove on the whole vehicle. These are your little push caps, and you just push these down. Okay, and here's a close-up of how these work. You just push in and it releases it. Okay, so now that you've got them pushed in, you can grab them, pull them out. It may be easier to use a screwdriver. Sometimes they do break. Some of the little back sides of them will snap. If you find one that has a bad one, they're probably just a few cents. Probably not too expensive to get new ones. They just get brittle over time. They're in the engine bay where it gets hot, so it's normal to have ones that may crack. Pull your cover off. Okay, to reinstall, you just put your cover back in place. Whenever you remove it, it pushes down all the way. Whenever you want to reinstall, just push that pin back up, get that back in, and then you want to hear just one click so it's flush. To remove it again, just push down and then pull it back out. So we're going to want to reinstall it, pull it out, push it in, one click, and then just do that 12 more times. All right, that's how you remove and reinstall this radiator cover in the front. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you.